Retransform has engaged in Robotic Process Automation, or RPA technology. RPA is an increasingly popular digital technology designed to perform a wide range of repetitive and time-consuming tasks and processes. In this demo, we created a custom bot that is programmed to check and import newly added invoice PDFs from a specified folder location. For demo purposes, we have assumed that all the invoices will be available in digital format and not handwritten. The PDF format is the preferred format, and all the invoices should be kept in the same folder. In this case, the folder is called Input Files. Let's start the import bot, which will load all the invoice-related PDF files from the specific folder to the OCR application. The OCR application will read the PDF file for OCR, and this is based on the assumption that we will have one invoice per PDF. Once all the invoices are OCR'd, the export bot will export the captured data into an Excel spreadsheet. This Excel spreadsheet will be used as a source for entering the data into Yardi. In our case, the Excel file contains the Yardi-specific related information such as company name, the account code, and the status of the activity. For example, whether the data is submitted into Yardi or not. After completing the export process of extracted data, let's start the Yardi data submission bot. After completion, all the invoice files will be gathered from the Input Files folder and moved to another folder called Processing Files. Let's run the final process bot for submitting the captured data into Yardi. This bot will read the data from the Excel spreadsheet and log into the Yardi system with the client providing their login credentials. Once we have logged into their system, it will navigate us to the Payables tab, then Payable Processing, and finally to create a new payable batch. The bot will enter invoice details from the Excel spreadsheet on the Payable screen. It will process a single record per row at a time. Once all the essential information is entered, the bot will search and select the vendor code based on the standard mapping matrix provided, and then we can save the payable. This RPA technology has the capability of handling the workflows. The bot will open the payable screen again to complete the approval workflow associated with the process. The bot will capture the status of the process, whether it is completed successfully or failed. According to its status, the Excel spreadsheet will be updated with this information. It will also update the batch ID on each row to maintain the transaction status of each entry. This process will continue for all the records in the Excel spreadsheet. In our scenario, it is only one record we need to be concerned with. Once all the invoices are entered into Yardi, the bot is programmed to send an email notification to the defined user group or individual with an updated status. The final step will be that all the invoice files from the processing folder has moved to the Processed Files folder.